Baggy's actually turned up to work for once. Yeah, blobbed yesterday, so me and Jamie went to Spa. We go, had an headache. Oh no, I'll be useless, I'm weak.
Good morning everybody. Start another fine week, although it's slightly cooler today actually. But yeah, hope everyone's had a great weekend. I know I have, a bit of a boozy one, but yeah, not that good when I go to the gym every day, but there you go, you got to enjoy yourself sometimes, haven't you? Good weekend actually, it was lovely and hot everywhere, so you always fancy a drink, don't you? But anyway, back to work. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just in yard actually by myself this morning, just catching up a little bit from last week. Lads have been in this morning, got them loaded up ready, just starting a job over in Bristol, 60 metres of, I think it was 2 metre high Vmesh. A bit of it, about 20 metres is down a hill, so they'll have to put a load more posts in to accommodate that. But yeah, it's fairly simple really, probably 2 days in that job with the extras that they need. They're quite simple really. And then I think we're going over to Skipton back end of the week. I'm just debating whether to put that one in or start that afresh next week actually, depending how it goes. Yeah, I might even put that to next week, and then rest of this week I might slot some little domestic timber ones in that we've got to get out of the way. So yeah, I'm just having a bit of a move around as well actually. Just been sorting that corner out. Me and Justin have just been having a bit of a discussion what we're going to do with that vest. I think where we keep us posts now, I think we're actually going to move them over into there and have them coming sort of lengthways that way, so it sort of gets them out of the way. Then we might start putting as gates and stuff like that there, so we dot us gates about everywhere, so we might put us gates there. And then I do actually want a lot of that 3 metre high stuff that's on top of the cabin down, because I want to paint this blue cabin same green as the office. All this is for a job actually, that's for one job, and we've got stock. I'll order some more actually. Like I say, we've just been going through, so what happens is we get bits and bats coming, like even temporary panels, and it's like, where do we put them? See, we've got all those gates and stuff, and they're hard to get to, so I think we're going to move these and have a couple of rows that way, and then move his gates to here, which I think will probably suit us better, because posts are easier to get, you see, you can just slide them out easy, get them as you need them. But like I say, I want to give this cabin a bit of a paint while it's dry. You know what it's like, I have all these good intentions of doing stuff, but we get that busy, you just don't get time, so ends up getting pushed back. But yeah, I'm just, like I say, in office catching up a bit. I'm actually in the middle of putting all this stock onto the new software, so it's blowing my mind a bit, if I'm honest. You get a bit sick of it, so I'm trying to do sort of an hour a day or so and just get it on bit by bit, you know. So I'll have an hour or so now and catch up with my other bits and bats I've got to do, and yeah, hopefully the guys will get some footage on the job that they're on, and we'll keep you informed, and we'll catch you later. But whilst I'm here, just don't forget to give us a like, it really does help us out on the channel, even, you know, comment, subscribe even, but definitely give us a like, and we'll catch you later.
So, good afternoon from Airedale. It's Tuesday today. Yesterday we all had day off, so we're here on site over in Batley, Nabwood, well, Bristol, Batley, and the lads are already cracking on. Got 60 metres to install, with 20 metres of it being downhill, and they've already got a few panels in. Go a bit further down that side of the wall in a second and squeeze past you. Rock hard, breaker for every hole. Oh yeah, so when they come back tomorrow, they're actually just going to put in one extra panel here and come down just to block all that bush off. Oh yeah, cracking on. Let's walk down the other side and we'll show you where it's going. So this is 2 metre green Vmesh.
Justin Z-man on steroids.
Baggy's actually turned up to work for once. Yeah, blobbed yesterday, so me and Jamie went to Spa. I go, I had an headache. Oh no, I'll be useless, I'm weak. Nah, I believe he was rough out of his head from weekend. So these two bickering between each other like usual. No changes there. So this is 20 metres downhill. So all this will go in, probably some of it will go in half panels, and the really steep bit will go in metre panels with extended posts just to take for the angle. And it's going all the way down just to, if you can see this, just to down bottom of there. So yeah, we'll get cracked on. I'm just going to dump all this off now. I brought loads of post mix and water for him. So dump all this off, and then I need to go pick up gates for hot jobs rest at week. So yeah, we'll crack on, and we're out of here. So here we are, over in Birstall again today with lads. They're just putting in rest at fencing. Got about halfway yesterday. They've just got this downhill bit to do. Baggy's in van there, chilling. He's just got a quick phone call to make. So these are all going down in half panels. Jamie thinks he's funny, but he's just cut that panel, so he's just spraying it up. Just a bit too much of a gap. They've got a fair bit done. I think they've still got a panel down at this side to put in as well. So this is a 2 metre high green Vmesh. It's looking good. It's just a boundary fence to stop people coming in through here. As you can see, there's a public footpath there, so it's really just to stop access from there to here. And what they're going to do, let's see if they did it yesterday. No, they didn't. So they're going to add another panel onto this wall here as well, coming into the bushes, just to stop people just cutting over that bit as well. But yeah, they'll be done here today. Tomorrow we're over in where is it? It's Conservatory Outlet, and we're digging out to Palisade posts, and we're going to be putting in a new mesh gate for them. I believe it's double leaf. It's about 5.2 metres in total. Hopefully the other posts come out nice and fast, and we can basically get onto the other job. We're hoping we can go to that job and then go to another job and put some more posts in. If that's not the case, because the problem is you can't hang the gates really the same day, especially if it's not bone dry weather, especially big gates like that. But yeah, it's looking nice. I'll get them sorted, and I'm going to go and pick up some more gates. Yeah, it's looking good.
morning. Yeah, we've been busy this morning. I've been doing admin work since first thing, but I've actually come do a site survey over in Morley, actually at Bruncliffe High School. We've done various works here actually over the years. I've actually quoted a couple of decent jobs here lately as well, waiting to hear back, but the site manager's had me over again. Keep getting problems with kids in far corner, getting in. We've done bits and bats here and there, but wherever you do, then they just find another place. So it's never ending really. I've sort of suggested they have a whole new fence, but yeah, hopefully we'll hear back. But I mean, I've done some other works. I'll turn it around. I don't know how well you can actually see the gates there, but we did some there because they were literally getting on the pole there on the box and getting over. Waiting for the site managers to meet me here to go through these gates. I've just phoned him, he's on his way, so I'll go see what they're after and get that quoted and probably get this one. In fact, he's here now, I can see him coming. Lads, they finished the job over in Bristol yesterday, and the customer Sam has put a great review on Google for us this morning. Thanks a lot, Sam. And he's paid us straight away. I wish all customers were like that. Ideal customers, you go straight up to the top of the list. So yeah, they finished that, and then they're just going, well, there's two jobs on at the same time today and tomorrow actually. For Conservatory Outlet over near Wakefield, they're taking a sliding gate down and they're just replacing it with some mesh gates, swing gates. So they're going to get the posts in there today, which will be hard digging through concrete and whatnot. And then we've got another some big Palisade Gates to get in over at Knaresborough. You might have seen me pricing that a few weeks ago. So they're going to go over there after that and get them posts in as well. And then tomorrow they'll visit both sites and get the gate leaves on, do the drop bolts and whatever else they've got to do. The one in Knaresborough, they've got to sort of put some extra pails on the bottom to follow the rake of the land. So yeah, that's that. And then I'm just over at a site here in Bradford actually. In fact, my friend Gary actually works here, Texfelt. Morning, Gary. We've done quite a bit of works sort of around the back there. We did some 358 prism mesh, and we've put razor wire all the way around. New entrance now. They've got another sliding gate there. The main entrance used to be there. A bit more razor to go there and a panel to put in for them. And then he wants some more panels to match the grey at the front to go on top of this here. They're going to concrete a plinth on it apparently. And then where this sliding gate is down here, he just wants a bit more razor wire up to each side of the gate there. I'll give him a quote for that when I get back later, but I'm just on my way now to Thackley, not far from my yard. Go see a school there. I'll catch you later.
Right, we're here at Conservatory Outlet. Lads, we've already got gate down, cutting it up into pieces, going to get it on van. New mesh gate going in, opening this way. These posts have decided that these are going to actually stay now, just because they've got all the cameras on. So we'll get this done, get it on back at van and get out of here. actually brought a bit of twin with us. Just going to cover the sides up because I wanted to keep these posts. So yeah, we'll get this done and on to the next job. Dean's happy, aren't you, Dean? Always. And here we go. So all nice, all fastened up tightly on end. Nice cement finish. Let's have a little look at these closing and opening right quick. Quick look at these. We've only ever drop bolt one of them, so there you go. Can't ask for better than that. Nice sharp. Open it off. Got Baggy cutting them up now. We've got Jamie putting fencing on, and we'll get out of here. Alright, we've just finished second job at day on a Friday. We're just going to have a little look at them opening and closing now. All drop bolts in, extended pails at the bottom. Nice, opens lovely. All gate safes on the side as well, tarmac finish. Look at that, beautiful. Another good job by the team. Like I said, we couldn't extend it any further because it'd catch floor, so all extended to the path where it needs to be. Looking good. Drop bolt down there as well, and then one in middle. Right, hour drive back, sun's come out. Let's go.
Hi there, hope everyone's good. A lovely day, Friday already, and look at the weather. Apparently it's meant to be Scorpio tomorrow, hotter than Lanzarote apparently, 26 degrees. Let's see. I've just been for a quick trim at Barber's. I've been out busy this morning actually. Been out since early doors quoting. Just got back, so I'm just going to do a couple of hours in office. Like Friday dinner time now. The lads should finish in the 2 gate jobs they had. One at Wakefield, I think they've already done that one. They should be in Weatherby at the minute, probably an hour or so there, that's all, just sticking gates on. So yeah, all in all, quite easy Friday for us all, and we'll get to the pub, have a few pints in sun. So all in all, pretty good week, very productive this week, and got a couple more jobs coming. Starting to get really busy now, it's like a month or so before big school holidays, so all schools are coming in thick and fast. I've just been to see probably might be 8 schools this week. I'll probably get them. As usual, they all want them doing it 6-week holidays, so you can only do so much, you know. But yeah, we'll do as best, and we'll catch you on the next ones. And don't forget to give us a like, will you? And whilst you're here, you might as well subscribe. See you on the next one.